Hi, my name is Hattie Thomas. I want to share a technology tool that is great to use in the classroom. Canva is a graphic design tool website that was created in 2012. It provides access to over 1 million photographs, graphics, and fonts. This is my Canva account. Canva is a great tool to use in the classroom, number one, because it's free, and also because of the collaboration it allows. A negative aspect of the tool is that setup of the account requires email, so students would need parental approval. And also, it has so many options that it could be overwhelming. If you click on Create a Team, students have the options, it says, to add up to 400 members, including yourself, which is way more than any classroom would need. And as you see here, Canva has many templates and ways for students to create. And if you click on more, see that students can create posters, even make presentations, magazine covers. So my idea to use Canva was to use the reading strategy double entry journals with the poster component. So if you click on the poster, take you to this page here. And with double entry journals, readers record things they are reminded of related to personal experiences and background knowledge, as well as questions they have or things that they visualize while reading. This is a best practice because it encourages critical thinking, questioning, and reflection. It teaches metacognition and things such as making self-to-text connections and text-to-text connections. It can be used individually or with Canva as cooperative learning. It also offers formative assessment, and this is an activity that would be informally assessed as well. So it gives teachers the opportunity to gauge students' comprehension along the way and give instruction or guidance in certain areas as needed. So if I have clicked on the poster and it brought me to this page here, as you see to the left, there are all these templates that are pre-designed. Students could choose to use these and change the pictures, change the colors, and change the text here. Or they could start with a blank slate, add the background, the text. They could upload pictures from online or search all those images and graphics. So there's opportunity for much creativity to express their comprehension from the reading. And here is an example of what the activity would look like if students were to read the book Tuck Everlasting. In an actual double entry diary, students would take the pages of their journal and fold them in half. So it would be creased in the middle. On one side, they would have facts related to the reading, and on the other side, they would have personal reflections. But on my example, I just kind of combined it into one page with thoughts and questions and facts all together. But after the work is complete, students can share with their teacher. They can share with the whole class. Could purchase, but that's expensive, so I don't recommend. Or they can download a PDF, which would look like this. And I thank you for watching the video.